Welcome to my channel, The Way of Learning. Today's topic is Antonyms, Class 10. First one is master. Opposite word is servant. Second one is material. Opposite word is spiritual. Next one is merit. Opposite word is demerit. Number 4, minimum. Opposite word is maximum. Number 5, modern. Opposite word is ancient. Number 6, moral. Opposite word is immoral. Number 7, mortal. Opposite word is immortal. Number 8, natural. Opposite word is artificial. Number 9, narrow. Opposite word is wide. Number 10, native. Opposite word is foreign. Number 11, new. Opposite word is old. Number 12, necessary. Opposite word is unnecessary. Number 13, noble. Opposite word is mean. Number 14, normal. Opposite word is abnormal. Number 15, obey. Opposite word is disobey. Number 16, objection. Opposite word is approval. Number 17, obsolete. Opposite word is prevalent. Number 18, occasional. Opposite word is regular. Number 19, open. Opposite word is shut. Number 20, optional. Opposite word is compulsory. Number 21, optimist. Opposite word is pessimist. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel. The next video is coming soon.